Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! And let's maybe begin by simply checking if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by simply expanding our control center. Right at the bottom, we should see a nice little brightness bar, and next to it a little A letter. And A, of course, stands for automatic. And you will notice that when I have enabled this, it automatically went up, because it was automatic. Now, if for any reasons you actually can't do that via the control center, you can always do that by simply going into the settings, scrolling down a little, heading into display, scrolling down. Oh, sorry, the brightness levels. I forgot the name. So you want to head into display, brightness levels, and here you can also enable automatic brightness from here. However, if you still encounter any issues with this feature, I would also advise you to simply reboot your device. You can do that by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time. Oh, never mind. Sorry, it's just the power button. I forgot that the Redmi 9 actually doesn't have the AI assistant, because by default many phones nowadays have AI assistant, so sorry about that. You want to simply press and hold the power button itself, and then simply hit reboot twice. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help, because whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but also hardware as well, including sensors that are directly responsible for detecting bright levels around you, and thanks to them, adjusting your brightness accordingly. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.